I'm expecting magic, I'm expecting fantasy, or I'm a big Harry Potter fan, so it's good coming back and watching the next installment of the Harry Potter film. The third one I felt was a bit dark. It took away from the regular Harry Potter film, which was light and breezy and fun. This is very dark and somber. I think it took you in a different space. It took you in a very dark abyss. And I'm hoping that this film will be more lighter. I've read the book though, and it should be, and it's fantastic watching Harry Potter grow up and growing up with him.
What do you enjoy most, the reading the book or the watching the movie?
Both actually, because the book you envision what's happening as you go on. But the best part is when a book is a series and the series has been made into a book. As you're reading the second book and the third and the fourth, you start imagining what you have read according to the first book. Suddenly you know what their hostel looks like, what their school looks like, what Harry Potter looks like. You're suddenly able to put a face to the characters that you're reading, and that makes it all the more believable. That makes it feel as if. That's when the experience of watching the film is a double whammy. It's double happiness and it's double joy, because you want to see how much of your imagination, which you let yourself go along with the book, how much of it is actually manifested in a maker's vision. Weasley. Because he's cute and he's got a mop of red hair and he's got freckles, and he's always the underdog who's trying to survive. And I think it's just adorable. He's constantly in a daze, and that's what I'm like in my life. So I think I completely understand that. अरे कोई designer wear नहीं है. It's a skirt that I picked up, and it's a top that I picked up, and it's just very casual. Everything has been picked up from different places around the world, and that's it. Yeah.
Shoes are very lovely.
Yeah, these actually I picked up from Bangkok, because I love shoe shopping, different kinds of shoes. I love wearing closed shoes, so hence I pick up a lot of closed shoes. And for me, it's very important to see the heel, what kind of heel a shoe has. And this conversation is getting very superficial now, so we should talk about something else.
There's 15-20 minutes, screen 4 and 5.
Screen 4, but the screen 1 has started.
This has started. Just 10 minutes back.
10 minutes back.
Okay, but you can go for the 4th screen, and there are 2 more screens, 4th and 5. Yeah, sure, don't worry. Okay? Yeah. भाग्यश्री, आप कितनी एक्साइटेड है आज हैरी पॉटर की नई फिल्म देखने?
I won't say excitement, but I definitely want to see this film.
आपका पसंदीदा किरदार कौन सा है? आप कितनी बड़ी फैन है हैरी पॉटर?
फिल्म की एंड देखना चाहती हूँ. Definitely where the story is going. So that's what I'm looking forward to seeing today. हाँ जी, देखे हैं. प्रभावित तो कोई नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन I like Hermione, and I like, of course, I like Harry Potter. Thank you.
Can I?
Wait, just let her.
Okay, what's the first?
I don't think I'd end up seeing the movie if I don't like the end.
Anything third person.
Bye.
About the wild